Alright, so I think I got it figured out. I don't like it, but I think I got it figured out. I had to put in, we'll do a backstory in a minute, just bear with me, please. So I've got my ring light up here, I've got another spotlight up there, I've got the light up here, and I was having issues somewhere down here, which I think I might have worked out, so that's great. So anyway, to the backstory, I want to thank everybody for your green screen recommendations. I put a post on, I think it was on Facebook last week, about looking for a portable green screen, and some of you know, some of you don't. I'm posting this across multiple platforms, so if you've seen me in front of a green screen before, then you know I have an entire green wall, which is right over here. It's not the same as this though, it's totally different, and now that I'm looking at the two, it's like a totally different green. So I'm trying a portable green screen. This one is 5 feet wide by 7 feet tall. It's got a stand that holds it up. It's supposed to fold up, but I haven't been able to get it to fold up yet. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, come on. If you're going to have a bad hair day, have it yesterday. Let's go. Get with it. Come on. So anyway, I've got some studio lighting. I've got the, I've got the two new studio lights here. I don't like where that one is sitting up there though, so I'm going to have to work on that. But I wanted to come on here across multiple platforms and thank everybody who gave their recommendations for a portable green screen. I've selected one. I'm going to be playing around with it and seeing how it works out. And yeah, so until next time, thanks a million, everyone.